What's going on, guys? How's everyone doing? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Aston Origin plus a brand new audio interface. Now, in the industry, the Aston Origin might not be as well known as the Shure SM7B. However, for $100 less than the SM7B retails for, this is a pretty good choice. One interesting thing about this microphone is that it has a built-in pop filter using stainless steel knit mesh technology, so you don't have to stick an extra pop filter on the side. Sliding the top part of the box off, you can see it says Aston Microphones on the box. Turning the box over to the side, it says the Art of Audio, and that it is. The first thing that we see in the box is basically a pamphlet just letting us know thank you for purchasing this microphone. We also get an Aston microphone sticker. And here is the microphone itself. Checking if anything else is in the box, and it looks like, yes, we do have what looks to be a pin, which is pretty cool. That's pretty interesting that they threw that in there, but other than that, there's nothing else in the box. So now here's the microphone itself. And obviously the big part about this microphone is the XLR connection. So there's a difference between just plugging in your mic regularly to the computer via USB and then actually needing an audio interface, which is a separate thing on top of the microphone in order to get this to function. The Samson G-Track is the microphone I've been using in my YouTube creator workspace for years now, and getting a new microphone is awesome because I've spent so long just using this one microphone. So right now I'm using the Aston Origin to record my voiceover, and you can hear a little bit more presence in my voice. So right now this is me talking with my Samson G-Track microphone, and this is me talking on my Aston Origin microphone. So the comparison here might be a little hard to spot, but I'll touch back on that at the end of the video. In order for this microphone to work properly, it needs to be connected to an interface. The Scarlett Solo 3rd generation is here to help. So this is the audio interface that the mic is going to plug directly into, and then you use the interface to plug directly into the computer. Since this microphone uses an XLR connection, of course we are going to need an XLR cable. And we're going to need some headphones too. So I've had this microphone for about a week, and here's my overall thoughts of what I think so far. The mic sounds nice, and overall it has a really good build quality. I will say, maybe it's because of the setting on my Samson G-Track and on this microphone, but I don't notice a huge difference in the quality right away. I think in comparison, because the Aston Origin is XLR in and the Samson G-Track is USB in, the quality on the Origin is just that much better because it is XLR in. So I think before I get a really fair comparison about what I think, I'm probably going to have to use this mic a little bit longer term. Anyway guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button. Also go down below and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so that way you never miss out on a brand new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, have a good one guys. Peace.